Alright, here's ditch pickle number 1.
You have your GoPro on, right?
Yeah, it's recording right now. Oh, I can't.
Pull it off.
So you broke off?
Yes, you just like pulled it off. It's just so weird.
Alright. I told you I marked some fish. There you go. The red worms.
The little bass.
Yeah, I mean, we caught like 20 of them yesterday. Yeah. A fluke? Oh yeah, right next to this grass patch. There we go. Sorry, buddy. There we go. The hook. There he goes. The worm that hit it soft. The fluke, they're hitting it. Get out of there. There we go. Alex!
Finally caught him.
Yeah, he was running with my bait and I was like, oh, that's a